Ever seen those boxed action figure images? You know, the ones that look just like collectible toy dolls. Did you think, man, I want one of those too? But how? Well, I just made one a few minutes using the free plan of ChatGPT AI. Want to know how to make them too? Let me show you right now. Alright, so today I'm in ChatGPT and I'm going to show you how to make one of these cool toy action figures in a box. This is a free ChatGPT account, by the way. You could make one of your own based on just about any kind of image you have. A sports figure, a teacher, a friend, a mailman, whatever. But before I show you how to do it, I want to show you a few examples I've already made to give you a little inspiration. So here's a mailman I made a few minutes ago. Pretty cool, right? Here is the prompt that I used. And here is the picture that I started with to make this figurine. Overall, the action figure looks pretty close to the photo I started with. So that's how I made that one. Here's another one. I made this lady carpenter. Here is the prompt I used, and here is the cartoony image that I used to make this one. It turned out really well, don't you think? Here is another one, this box here. Here's the prompt, and here's the image I started with. This one's a little different. It's completely plastic. Here's the prompt I used, and here's the starting image. I also included my logo to put right here. Now, let's walk through the process of making one together. I'm going to scroll down to the bottom and click right here and then upload my starting image. Go to Upload from Computer, click on your image, and then click on that. So there's my image, and now I'm going to add in my prompt. Alright, I'll add my text prompt here, and then click Go. Right down here you can see it's actually working, so I'll come back when it's finished. Okay, and there she is. So, there's the picture I started with, there's my prompt, and this is the one we just created. Check out the slogan down here. I'll take this and download it. Sometimes it doesn't work right. Just to be safe, you might want to right-click on it and then do Save As, just to be sure, because sometimes these don't always download correctly. Then click Save. So it did download that time. So it has 2 big syringes, there's a package, some coffee, and a backpack for her to carry her stuff in. Here's her hospital ID. She's wearing a stethoscope. This turned out really nicely. So now you could take this figure and share it with your friends or online. Just imagine if you created one of these. Who would you make one of? Maybe your friend, child, or a family member. Why not try it yourself? Just take your picture, upload it into ChatGPT, give it a prompt describing exactly what you want it to do, cough, and see what you get. So that's how easy it is to make these. We'll make one more really fast. Alright, so let's make one more. So I'll click here again, Upload from Computer. This is the image I'll be working with. Here is my prompt. This time I'm making a mechanic action figure. So I'll click Go, and ChatGPT will take my starting picture and this prompt and get started making my new image. And here it is. So let's click on it. There you go. There he is in his uniform. There are his tools, and the text is correct. So this is just another fun example, just showing you what you can do with these images on ChatGPT. Then once you've got it made, what do you think you might make one of next? Let's be real. Everyone deserves their own action figure moment. Use them as unforgettable gifts, scroll-stopping social posts, or cool branding that actually gets noticed. Use them as unique gifts, eye-catching social media content, team recognition prizes, podcast art, career day visuals, or even client thank you surprises. Whether you're building your brand or celebrating everyday heroes, these mini you collectibles can add personality, creativity, and serious wow factor to everyone's digital life.
If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.